will uncover every hidden strength and weakness. Don't risk making the wrong choice. Choose your display carefully for clearer, sharper, and more vibrant pictures and videos. Watch till the end to see real-world scores and decide which TV is the smartest value for your money, and stuff they'll never tell you in the store. Consider the size that fits your space best. And remember, a sleek design can enhance your room's aesthetics. Let's dive deep to find which TV truly dominates in performance in gaming. Unveiling the special features that truly make these TVs unique, next we'll reveal the real-life experience scores and pricing.